Hello everyone, welcome to part 105 of Laravel 10 series in which we are getting the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the product detail page, and in this video we are going to show the related products in the product detail page. Okay, so see, in the last video we able to show the colors. Okay, we able to show the color links of this product. Okay, and also we able to show the product video as well. Okay, so also we able to work on the availability of the product, like if we inactive the product from the any panel, then this product will not be shown at all. It will send the user to the 404 page. Okay, so in this video we are going to work on the related products. We are going to show the four related products that belongs to the same category, but we are going to show those products in a random way. Okay, so I'm going to straight away work on this functionality. Here I'm going to open the detail function in the product controller. Okay, so here I'm going to add it in the detail function. I'm going to get the related products. Here I'm going to add the command like get related products, okay. So that means that we are going to show the other products of the same category. Four products we are going to show in a random order. Okay, so here I'm going to take one related products variable. Okay, and here product model, uh, and here we require just two things. One is the brand and another one is the images. Okay, so we are going to take here the brand as well as the images. Okay, that's it, these two things we require. And here we are going to compare it with the category id. Category id must be equal to the category id that we are getting from the product details. Okay, product category, product details, category id. Okay, category, here category then id. It's okay, we are getting it like this. You can see. Okay, so here after this one, then one more condition we are going to add here. The we are going to skip the current product, that we don't want to show that product again. Okay, so where id must not equal to the current id. Okay, dollar id. Okay, same thing we have done with the group products as well. Okay, so also we are going to limit just four products are required once, and also we are going to show the products in random order. Okay, we are going to show the products in random order, then get and convert to the array, to array. Okay, query is ready. We are going to check first of all that whether we are going to get the four other products of the same category or not. Okay, so this one we are going to debug this one and we'll see whether we are able to get the products for other products. Yes, we are getting the other products. All the products must having the same category that we have opened right now. Okay, so here I'm going to check the category. See, category id is 8, category id is 8, category id is 8, category id is 8. So the same category for all the products, and you can see the brand as well as the images. Okay, brand as well as the images. If the product is does not have any image, then it will show the empty array. Okay, so it seems to be working fine. It seems to be fine. Here I'm going to open this one in a separate window so that we can able to uh, take the values from here if we require. Okay, so now I'm going to return this related products, and I'm going to return this one from here to our detail blade file. I'm going to open the detail blade file where we are going to write. Okay, so I'm going to see here at the bottom where we are going to show, we are going to close the other things here. Okay, so this one is for the customer also viewed, so the same kind of identical thing we are required. I'm going to see this one is directly for the products. Okay, fine, and this one as well. So this section, this complete section we require, I think. Okay, front images, brand images, fine. So these two sections we require this complete. I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste it once again here like this. Okay, so now see, I'm going to search for this one uh, here, and previous this one. Okay, so here I'm going to write like related products, related products. Let's see. I'm going to comment this one. This one is already commented. Fine. So let's see that we are able to show the duplicate. Yes, related products, and this one is customer also viewed. Fine. See related products. Okay. Uh, Here see related products, that customer viewed, that you also like to buy. Okay, related products that you also like to buy. Okay, so now we are going to add the for each loop here, and here this is the div where we want to add the for each loop. We are going to remove the unwanted divs, just will keep the one div, and here we are going to add the loop. Okay, for each, what is the variable name, related products array as dollar product, and we are going to end this here. So here we are going to dynamically add everything in the same way like we have added earlier on for our product listing. Okay, here also we have taken the same dollar product. Okay, and this one we can use this one, this condition if else will work in the same way for our image. Okay, we can simply add it like this, and this link also we can get from here, that will remain the same. Okay, so here brand name also we are getting. Okay, so we can get it from here as well. The see, why to write the code again and again if we have already done this one. Okay, so after this product name as well, okay, we are going to write the product name here like this, and also the link for the product that we are having. Okay, I'm going to copy this link from here and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, like this. Okay, see, review and rating we will do later on, but the last thing that we want to add, that is the prices. Okay, so the price, like the price, final price, that is the discounted price we want to show. Okay, we are going to show the discounted price here, and see, I'm going to do it like this, and after that see if the product is having some discount. Okay, then if discount type is not empty, then we are going to work here. Okay, we are going to work here. Okay, like this, if discount type is not empty. Okay, and if here like this, and here we are going to add here this discounted. uh, okay, so this is the main price. We're going to show the main price if there is some discount, otherwise it is not required to show. Okay, so now we are going to check here. We are going to check that whether it's working fine or not, and we are displaying the related products in a random way. Let's see. Yes, it is working. See, gap blue t-shirt, green t-shirt, most of the products does not have any image. So this product, I'm going to click on this one, and this must open the blue t-shirt. It seems to be working fine. Then the other products must come now. Yes, the other products are coming now. You can see the brand name is also coming at the bottom. Arrow, gap, arrow. Okay, these are the t-shirts. Review and rating we will work on later on, and these prices are also coming. The main price is also coming, and if the product is having some discount, then the main price is cut, and we are showing the final price. Okay, I'm going to refresh it once again, and you can see every time we refresh we will get the different products. Okay, here you can see we will always get the different products. You can simply click on the product and can show and can see the detail. Okay, so it seems to be working fine. Okay, so you can do this one at your end, and in the next video we will continue working on the product detail page, and remaining things. Also we are going to work on this customer also viewed. Okay, so this recently viewed functionality we are going to work on in the next video as well. Okay, so please stay tuned. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.